Kuringana na yo mwanchi omulielia na gusika mutwa sorobotironde nigongo kumanya buna chitariki isano na emochi omutinyo 10 okera omwaka nelituko lyogochengera oburoire bwa Celebral Palsy ase ensengima lituko lero nigo ababwatani korwa siense baba bagwesoke bene nabo igo gochengera litukeli rinene ime county ya Kisii nigo toba togosanga no munyagitari Felix Otieno korwa ase nyagitari ya Hema oyo bakagokwanira igoro y'oburerobo ase oboime gosangana into niga bagakuboria abayiboli gotanengeta abana bali babwate oburerobo.
Okay, I'm Otieno Felix. Na kuhusu hiyo ugonjwa ya Cerebral Palsy, it's a group of diseases that affect the brain and entirely affects the movements. That is very common in childhood. Treatment is multidisciplinary. It involves a big team, but the main focus is to send signals to the brain and also aid in trying to stimulate the brain growth. It can get into anybody. Whether you are trying to hide your child, you don't hide your child. If your child has cerebral palsy, it's good you notice earlier. We make earlier diagnosis of cerebral palsy. We have the correct approach to it because one of the management approaches is psychological support. Because it's really difficult for friends and families if you have normal children and then one of you is having a child with the cerebral palsy. So the approach is actually simple. These people, they need support. They don't need stigmatization because it's not what they opt into. It's something that caught them on the way as one of the conditions that will get our children